Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp with Google Drive step by step clearly. To connect ClickUp with Google Drive, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to integrate Google Drive. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, find Google Drive and click on it. You will see an option to connect Google Drive. Click on the Connect button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. You will be asked to grant ClickUp permission to access your Google Drive files. Review the permissions and click Allow. Once connected, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp. Now, you can easily attach Google Drive files to your tasks. To do this, open a task within ClickUp. Click on the attachment icon in the task view. A menu will appear, showing an option to Google Drive. Select Google Drive to browse your files. Choose the file you want to attach and click Select. Your Google Drive file will now be linked to the task in ClickUp. To unlink a file, simply open the task and click the attachment again. You can remove it by clicking the X next to the file name. Now you're set to use Google Drive within ClickUp seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.